Greetings everyone, I would like to demonstrate the Glock 34 match weight that I designed myself for Glock clones with picatinny rail under the frame. First, let's do the disassembly and show you what's inside. It's printed with PLA 3D printer filament and can be assembled with a M5 bolt. I forgot this one is 30 or 35mm. It's on my library page, lbri.com. Not .com, I forgot. Something like that. Alright, and here we go. Oops. Alright. Empty chamber. Okay, here we go here. Printed with PLA. It's a plastic shell filled in with number 8 lead shots, and then I sealed it up with epoxy, but it doesn't really work that well. As you can see before, some of the lead shot has escaped, but it doesn't matter. It's okay. You can fit every Glock 34 Glock clone, I should say, with a picatinny rail, but I don't think it fits factory Glocks, as they have proprietary rails, I think. It weighs approximately 7.8 ounces, because I weighed it in with metric. It's 226 grams, 7 something ounces. I will put the unit conversion in post editing, and hopefully it can reduce some of the felt recoil with this match weight. In addition, my match weight different from the others HK USP match weight, which which hides the muzzle, and then that one is not compatible with suppressors, but mine does. As you can see, I left enough clearance for the suppressor and the Nelson device for it to work. That's the advantage of mine, and it's much cheaper, although slightly lighter than the HK USP one. The USP one is 330 something gram, I think. That's for today. See you next time.